Ever wonder how terms like GHG accounting, net zero, and carbon credits are everywhere in the market? But you are still not very clear what these terms exactly mean and how organizations are actually doing it. Hi, I am Mohit Wagela, a seasoned ESG professional with over 10 years of experience. I have worked with organizations like EY, JLL, Spring Energy in the past. I have helped organizations in achieving their net zero targets, sustainability journey, GHG accounting, assurance, and others. From real experience, one thing is clear that GHG accounting is currently the most in demand skills in ESG and sustainability job market. That's exactly what we focus on in our greenhouse gas accounting and inventarization workshop by ReGeneva Academy. It's a live, interactive 2-day skill-based workshop designed to be practical, hands-on, and action-oriented. You will gain certificate of completion, lifetime access to the workshop recording in case you missed it, handbook, greenhouse gas accounting workbook template, and access to the ESG and sustainability professional community. This workshop is designed for ESG and sustainability professionals looking to upgrade their GHG accounting skills. It's also designed for consultant and corporate teams working on BRSR, ESG disclosures, students and early career professionals who want practical and job ready skills in GHG accounting. We will also discuss the career paths and freelance opportunities in GHG accounting, ESG consulting, ESG roles, so you can actually convert these skills into the real life job opportunities. If you truly want to understand how carbon footprints are calculated, verified, and reported in organization, not from theory but from the real project experience, this workshop is for you. So seats are limited and filling fast. Click on the link below to secure your spot and join me live in GHG Inventorization and Accounting workshop by ReGeneva Academy. I look forward to seeing you all.